Hey y'all, it's Reverend Joel of the Presbyterian Church of Chestertown. It's Tuesday, January 19th, and we're approaching 5:30. All across the country tonight, churches have been invited to ring their bells in memory of the 400,000 plus who have died from the COVID-19 pandemic. That pandemic is still lingering with us. Vaccines are becoming available, but even now, people aren't able yet to register or to get the vaccine, even if they're in the 75 and older or 65 and older categories all across our country. And while our country has lots of vaccines and we just can't get them into arms fast enough, there are other countries around the world, like our own partners in Malawi, where vaccines aren't readily available. And so the effect of this vaccine on those we know and those we love, those near and those far, continues to be significant. I want to extend an invitation to you all to be very careful in the weeks and months ahead. This thing is not over yet. Please wear a mask whenever you're in gatherings with others. Please keep that distance between you and them at least 6 feet. Even if you're masked, stick your arm out and have them stick theirs out. If you can reach one another, you're too close. If you have any symptom, don't go out with others. Leave a gap of 10 days, 14 days from the last symptom to when you gather with anyone else. And on this special night, let's remember those who have died to COVID. Let them go to God with our sorrow, our grief, our apology for not managing this pandemic better and saving more lives. And let's pledge to do our very best in the months ahead until it is truly behind us.